Excellency the President, Your Excellency the Deputy President, Prime Cabinet Secretary, our two speakers, colleague members of Parliament, and all guests who have come, I greet you all good morning. It gives me a great pleasure, Your Excellency, to be back here this morning to celebrate alongside the Parliamentary Service Commission and our colleague members of Parliament to open this building that many people have worked extremely hard. This building has transited over 3 commissions, the 4th, the 5th, and the 6th, and eventually today we are here to celebrate its opening. Your Excellency, welcome home. In your public life, both you actually and the Deputy President, you've been in Parliament longer than you have been in the Executive. You're here for 15 years. I think you've been in the Executive for only 12, and 5 for your Deputy here in Parliament, and 2 at the Executive. So this is home for you. I don't want to calculate for the Prime Cabinet Secretary. I think he came here long before I was born. And glad to have all of you here. There are many things that we can celebrate about this building, Your Excellency, but the best that I recall, because I worked together with my colleagues in the 5th Commission to ensure that certain elements of this building reflect what we espouse as a country, is the audiovisual system. What you haven't been told, Your Excellency, is that in all the 26 committee rooms, they are fitted with state-of-the-art audiovisual technology that allows the people of the Republic of Kenya to follow for the very first time committee sittings live in session. Meaning that as a member of Parliament, and this is a warning to my colleagues who are here, you can no longer tell your constituents that, oh, sorry, I can't pick your call, I'm in a committee. Because it's on a live website, and they know the committees you're serving. They can easily go and see whether you're present or you're not. But most importantly is the fact that members of the public will know how you as a committee arrived at certain decisions before you bring your report back to the House. All the 26 committee rooms. And I celebrate the team that put together that, because we are taking Parliament to the people of the Republic of Kenya, and they'll be happy to know, even before we debate on the floor, why committees have voted this way or the other way in consideration of legislation. I don't intend to be long. I thank you, members. Thank you also for finding time to join us this morning. On behalf of the Senate and the leadership that is here, my not the deputy, but leader of minority is also here, and our colleagues from the minority side. We thank you for finding time. I thank you all. God bless you. Have a good day.